Another journal that I've made, and this is quite similar to the one yesterday. It's a mixture of ephemera. It's a soft cover. It measures 8 inches by 5 1/4. I've just done some layering here on the front cover. We've got some bling here and a little tiny doily thing here with some cheesecloth underneath and a little like flower centre. That is the back. It's been sewn onto some cardstock, so it's nice and thick. There are 88 pages front and back, and we've got some crocheted trim on the edges of some of the paper. And I've used this lovely image. I really like this image. I think this, I don't know if I ever had it in my stash or it was from Tsunami Rose, but it was printed out already, so I used that on my front cover. I've used digital paper from Digital Magpie again. There's some stenciling. And I've just done my usual pockets with big jumbo tag. There's stamping and stenciling going on behind there. There's some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Another tag that I've made, a little floral tag. And the pocket comes out, and I will link Terri Wood's below. She's got the tutorials on how to make this, because everybody asks me. So it will be there in the description box. And we've just got a doily, a ticket and a butterfly, and I will pop that back in. And that pops in there. I've got a doily, some edge punching, I think this is a definition dictionary page, some Edith Holden, some digital paper from the Old Design Shop, and then here we just have some ephemera and another, is this French? Yes, French ephemera from the Old Design Shop. Some squared paper, some stamping, stenciling, some more digital paper. Here I've just done a belly band, but I've kind of put it down the bottom, and I've done these layered hearts again. I quite enjoy making them. We've got a large jumbo tag again, another tag, and then a little booklet. Some nice coffee staining on that, and that pops in there. Paper bag, some edge punching, some more digital ephemera here from the Old Design Shop, and is this. Love this page. Do you know, I've had this kit for maybe a couple of years now, and I think this is the first time I've used that actual page. So we've got a Rita Donnelly flip, and here we just have a large tag, some ephemera. This is an idea from Climmies Creations, and it's just like a little booklet, and then it folds up and it tucks into the back of the tab at the back, and I've just popped a library card on there, a tag and another little tag there. Some music paper, some Edith Holden. There is lots of journaling space, and there's lots of ephemera to write on. And this is from the Old Design Shop as well. Some Edith Holden. The other side of the music paper, another flip up, a large tag, another one of these like little notebook thingies, with another library card just popped on there, and that just tucks in the back. Some ephemera, Tiffany & Co. stamped tag, and another little floral tag. The paper bag, another belly band with the layered hearts with the fabrics, and another little booklet, again with some nice coffee staining on there. Large tag and little tag. Really nice shimmer on here. All the pages have been coffee dyed and then sprayed with a shimmer spray that I've made and then re-dried, so that they've got a really nice like feel and noise to them when you kind of double cook them or double dye them. And this is another Terri Woods creation, which is the flip out, and then it all opens up, and again there's some really nice staining on this coffee dyed paper, and then you've got your two pockets, and you have your big jumbo tag and some ephemera, a little tag there, another piece of ephemera, and another little tag, and then the paper clip just holds it all in place, and that is the back. So another chunky one, lots going on in there. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I will put the links below, and if you have any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.